In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and collaborate on designs in Canva. Whether you're working on a solo project or need input from teammates, collaborating on Canva can streamline your creative process and help achieve the best outcomes. Let's dive into the simple steps you'll need to follow. First, once you're ready to share your design with others, look at the top right corner of your Canva dashboard where you'll find the Share button. It's your gateway to collaboration, acting as the conduit through which your designs travel to reach other collaborators. By clicking on this, you're starting to open up your creative space to the input, ideas, and perspectives of others, making your design not just a solo effort but a collaborative masterpiece. Next, you'll need to specify who you want to collaborate with. In the drop-down that appears after clicking Share, you'll see a text box prompting you to enter an email address. This is the key step where you designate your co-creators or reviewers. Type the email of the person you wish to share your design with. Ensure you've entered the correct address to avoid any unnecessary confusion or delays. This precision not only enhances communication efficiency, but also ensures that your design reaches the right people seamlessly ready for their input. Once you've entered the necessary email address, the next move is to finalize the invitation by clicking the Share button, once again within the drop-down menu. Doing this sends an invitation directly to the email address you specified, granting the recipient access to view or edit the design, depending on the permissions you set. It's like extending an open invitation to your creative world, allowing them either to observe with a view, providing feedback where necessary, or dive right in, making changes and collaborating actively. For many, collaboration might feel daunting initially, however, Canva's platform is designed to simplify this process. It's crucial to not only share the design but also set the appropriate permissions, whether that be viewing, commenting, or editing rights, which allows collaborative efforts without compromising your original defense. Remember, teamwork and feedback can dramatically improve the creative process, merging different skills and ideas to elevate your designs to new heights. In conclusion, Canva makes it incredibly easy to share your creative projects with others, encouraging collaboration and interactive input. Whether for professional presentations, group projects, or fun creative ventures with friends, using Canva's share feature invites others to join you on your design journey. By welcoming collaboration, you're opening the door to broader perspectives and skill sets that enrich your projects, making them stronger and more refined in the process. Let the creativity flow seamlessly as you explore collaborative design with Canva. Happy designing!